Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. But you can always grow your small trading capital into something big. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. This has been on uptrend for a very long time. You can see the green flags, and of course got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right now. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend, even though there are pullbacks in between, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, and you can see it pulling back right from there. And of course it's not been able to break out also above this resistance zone, and that means it might continue. I mean, it's most likely it goes back into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, you should take note of all this. Okay, so this is most likely to sell if it does not break out above that resistance zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 is on uptrend, and was on uptrend, and of course got to this resistance zone, and it had a major pullback till it got to this support zone. Okay, and of course right from there it picked up again and went up till it got to this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then we should experience a downtrend right from here, because it has given us double top. Okay, so we are most likely to have more of a selling opportunity, but you should wait for the right signals before you go fully into it. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, so where is crash 500? This is crash 500. Right from this support zone, it started an uptrend, got to this region, pull back, and of course went back up, and of course it's heading towards the resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend, but if it breaks out from there, then it will keep on buying till it get to the next resistance zone. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is V75. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, and you can see it kept on buying and buying, got to this resistance zone, but if it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. But for now it is still buying. Okay, until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. Okay, so you should have that at the back of your mind. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Business Hub, Qora Digital Cash. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then,